Today, we will do one more project for shadow analysis. Today, what we will do, so we can directly draw this shadow analysis drawing in SketchUp. How to draw a drawings in SketchUp? Okay. So first, take the new from template. So see here, when you open the SketchUp, it will open like this. Default templates. You can select the template. It is in simple. If you want to draw in inches, it is in inches, meters, feet and inches means you have to take this. It is made simple and meters, architecture inches, architectural millimeters, if you want to draw. If you want to draw centimeters, meters, see here, lot of multiple options are there. Okay, so here I will take simple meters. So this is a new this thing. So simple and meters. And here, first save the project. SketchUp example. So here can see these are the options. You can zoom it by using this. Say, sorry, not it zoom. Zoom is here. This is set, and this is a select point. This is eraser. If you want to anything after drawing anything you want to erase, you can erase. Like suppose this is the draw line. You can erase like this. Or you can use the delete button directly. You can select it. So see here, this is a line. It's a straight line. If you want, you can select freehand means if you want any shape, you can draw like this. So by using eraser, you can do like this. And here, if you want to draw a arc, 2-point arc, 3-point arc, pi, like this, you can draw. See here. Like this. 3-point arc. And here you can draw a rectangle, circle, polygon by using this command. Compared to AutoCAD, this is very easy to draw anything. You can see here by this is push pull button. So whatever you draw on this rectangle, if you want to develop a 3D model, so like this, you can extrude. You can see by using this. You can easily extrude this. Extrude, and you can cut anything. You can do this like this. And if you want to draw any offset, you can select this like this. Any surface, if you want to draw a arc by using this, easily you can draw. This is the offset command. So here again you can do extrude like this. In any angle you can do extrude. It's easy compared to AutoCAD. And this is move command. If you want to move anything, after selecting anything, you can move like, just select the entire thing and select the move button. From one point to another point you can move. And this is rotate command. If you want to rotate anything, you can rotate. Here, see, if you want to rotate anything, means you can select, first you have to select the total object, then you can use this command. Otherwise, what happened, only that surface it will select. And the next one is, this is scaling command, already we used. By using this you can scale it like any times. And this is mirror command. If you want to mirror anything, first you select anything, this you can want to mirror. And if you want to measure anything by using this, you can measure 5.9 meter, 2.17 meter, like any measurement you can measure. And this is by seeing the 3D view in different orientation, orbit. And this is pan. And what it will do, just select and move. Actually, in our mouse, this pan without selecting, you if you want to select this one scroller button, it will select like that. And this is zoom. And this is zoom out. Both we can do it. And these are the 3D warehouses. From here you can download anything. If you Trees already I shown. Mm, cars already I shown. Car, trees, and mm, what another things will use. So trees, cars, any object you can find. Suppose you are designing some uh, terrace sit out areas on that you want to plan a solar project. So there you require some shades and sofas. So you can download this sofa sets, chairs. So in any type, any type you can download. Tables, kitchen setup, cafeteria. If you are planning cafeteria, so cafeteria setup you can find. So like anything, any object, whatever you want, you can type it there. Similar related models you will find in 3D warehouse. These are some other SketchUp have some rendering for rendering purpose extension warehouses. So you can choose that. And this is to plot the PDF or something like that. Or this is extension manager. So these all are we have to pay some extra amount. Some are free extensions. So this is about SketchUp. So these are the commands. Uh, and here you can see. So this is window. So if you go here, there is a default tray. So just press show tray. So here you can get a lot of options. So what we did shadows. So what we will use mostly commonly shadows. So here you can select the time zone. When you will select the time zone means after giving the location, you can get the time zone. Before that, it is not recommendable. So here you can select the shadows. And here this is in trace, lot of options, lot of components are available to make it our design aesthetically good or so first we will start one by one. First we will start a one design by using SketchUp for solar application. Directly we can draw here. So go to file, first give the location, geolocation, add location. So here you can select the different options for your Google Earth image. For example, let's see this. We will take this building, and this building, this is a commercial building, commercial software building. Uh, so here we can plan a rooftop. We can plan two, three options here. So one is low height structure, regular structure, and suppose they have a good space here. So if they want to do any cafeteria setup on the terrace, and they don't want to set up any RCC slab or metal roof on the terrace. They want to plan for a solar. So we can recommend two, three options like this. Aesthetically, it will come like this. So we can show. So first we will develop this into 3D model. After that, we can do the options. So this satellite image, I just select. So this is a rectangle, rotated rectangle. So you can select, you can see. And next on the terrace, there are some another rotating rectangles. One, there are a lot of obstructions are there. So whatever we have, we just drawn this, and rest of the area is free. Okay. So I just copy this, Control C and Control V. I'll just draw here, and or you can, I mean, I just reference purpose, I just drawn side, and now you can see. So what I will do. So first you can decide the heights. So what this height, whatever main area. So main area height. This is a 10 floor building. 10 So 10 floor means each floor 3 meter height. So 3 into 10. Oh, what is this? Actually, it is coming in meters. We selected in meters only. So yes, 41. So 10 floors means 10 into 3, uh, 30-meter height. This building is 30-meter height. And on that, again, these obstructions, because these are AC chillers are there. In this area, AC chillers and water tanks. And here the headrooms are there. So what I will do, this headroom height is again on that 10th floor. You can take another 4 meter, and this chillers, all water tanks, another 5 meter height. So you have to, I mean, this is my assumptions because based on my so many site visits, so many different type of building visits. I'm just here assuming and drawing. But when you are doing real time, you have to visit the site. Without visiting site, it is difficult to do. So what I will do first, whatever the highest point I will draw here. So first water tank, this height from the ground level, it is mm, so 30 meters plus 5, 35 meters. And this also some elevator room, you can say. This is also 35 meters. And sorry, next to that we can draw. Uh, this is a chiller's room. So this having 34 meters. And this is support base for chillers. So this is having 31 meter. And here it is 34-meter headroom. And now the main building layout, it is having 31, actually 30 meters only, but 1 meter parapet will come, right? So for that I just taken 31. And now I will do offset for this. For parapet wall. And now what I will do, this I will reduce to 1 meter. See how easy it is to make this arrangement. And now if you want to, actually if you want to make this colorful, this is a actually now the all software buildings can see this all are coming with a glass finishing, right? So go to here, uh, go to components. Here the component can select anything, or sorry, this is sorry, I forgot to say this. This is a coloring bucket. So if you want to give any surface, any kind of thing, you can give here. So here, after selecting this bucket button, and I'm selecting one surface. So here you can go materials, and this you what you want, bricks, cladding, or concrete road, all as Asphalt or concrete means roads, it will come. Only colors, if you want, colors will come. Or colors named, or glass and mirrors, and landscaping like garden. This. So whatever you want, you can just drag down this like, and you can select anything here. So first I will select a glass item, and here if you want to give glass with sky reflection, so you can give like this and see to showing internal image also. Or if you want to give like similar to our buildings, you can give like this, and you can adjust this scaling also. You can edit this glass part. So now I selected this and I'm now editing this. So generally this glass height 3 meter by 1 meter will be there. Sorry, width is 1 meter and height is 3 meter. Or if you want to give some more, mm, like 3 by 9, you can see this look. You can see we can get easily in uh, uh, everywhere. If you went to any some corporate office buildings, it is looks like this, right? And on the terrace, if you want to give any tiles, so you can give the tiles. Again, same, go to this, select here, bricks cladding, sliding, or carpets, roofing. Roofing means this is multiple roofs, stone, synthetic surfaces, tile. See here, tiles, you have a lot of options. So you can select any tile. So now I am selecting this one and I given this to this surface. See how it will be looks. Or if you select this, you can give this. Again, go to edit. You want to change this uh, like a bigger one, you can change it. Or two. Whatever what you looks nice, you can select those. Green color. So you have multiple options. You can select anything. You can do transparent here. If it is a glass. Okay, let's leave it. We can just simple one we selected. Okay, just 2 meter by 2 meter tiles we used. Okay. Or we can do one plain one we can select. Hmm. Let's leave with this. And so this is done. So next, so this is a 3D model. Here we can plan first a high-rise structure with following to for a for a what is called this area. They want to develop a cafeteria kind of thing. So you can develop here. So same again, you can take the rotate rectangle, and so first you can select the area where you want to plan for a cafeteria. So this area we are planning for a cafeteria. So this is area you can mark, and you can plan for a columns here. So same, take the rotate command. This is just, I'm saying that once again, this is just I'm drawing for a reference purpose. Uh, so when you this is there after showing the presentation, actually these structures and whatever the area they want, that actually develop a structural engineer. What are the column sizes if you want, and this you have to show as a, actually we are the electrical engineers, so this job related to civil and mechanical guys. I mean, so mm, this aesthetic wise, how you are recommending and how the solar panels should be mounted, this only you have to suggest. And it's depends on your creativity and your thing, so you can change, if you want you can uh, give a another solutions also, another different type of designs. It's purely depends on your this thing. So this is four columns we planned. So we can plan a four columns, or we can make it little easy. So can do this one also, I think. Mm, so what I will do, first extrude this into certain height. So generally cafeteria height will be around uh, let's take a, it's a sloped, generally this cafeterias and our solar also, it should be some slope to whatever rainwater or module cleaning water should be dropped down to one area. So, and in this is the, wherever the headroom is there, there you can give uh, what there you can give the slope. I mean, it's a south side, right? So you can recommend the south side slope. So what I will do, uh, so 4 meter height, and so here what I will do, this I will make a line. I will draw a line to here 1 meter. 1 meter I want to give the slope. So bottom side you can see 1 meter, and here it should be 3 meter. So now what I will do, by using extrude command, I will subtract this total part, and here also. And after that, I will raise these columns also. Next, by using offset command, in this area also, by using offset, we just remove. So So backside, we can keep the wall like this because here the lot of AC chillers and these all are there. So now we can place the PV modules here. So first we can draw it PV modules. Take the rectangle. So first we can measure this, how much it is. 37 by 23. So our module dimension is how much? 1.134, comma 2.278. Can give the measurements like this. So this is the module dimension, and module thickness is 0.035 mm. So this is the module thickness. If you want to show this this looks like a PV module, you can make it some decoration for this. So go to colors and give the this thing. Uh, you can see it's look like a PV module, and here if you want to change cell size, you can see this now looks like a PV module, and you can change the color. Nowadays all our monocrystalline modules looks like a black color PV module. So you can make it like this. And this you just see that this is a solar PV module. If you want, you can make as a component. You name it like solar PV module. Just select this and make the right click. You have an option. If you want to give rating also, you can give 580 watt. So after that, next you can select copy and paste. So we have to give maintain 20 mm right gap 0.02, make a line, and next you can select this, move to here, and you can select some more PV module here to copy and paste. In this direction also you can add one more panel, 0.02. Copy. So no, or you can make another set. So this is one 5 by 2 table. You can copy paste it n number of panels. See, so this is one 10 by 2 table, array table. So now what we will do, so our area is how much, just we measure. So first we create a one table there, and after that we can place here. So that is 37.75 into 22.9. 23, 37 by 23. We will take a rectangle of 37 by, we'll take a rectangle. Here you can give 37 comma 23. So see here, this is one rectangle. So after every 10 rows, we can keep the gap of 450 mm, 1.5 feet gap, or 500 mm, 0.5 line. So 3 rows almost we can place 30, 20 into 3 easily. Right? So how many rows will come? Let's check. Similarly, we can vertical also we can place. After 2 rows, we have to give 500 gap. We can place one more row. So now we can place this into this one. Maybe you can place another row also. So let's check now. Yes. So these are the modules we can able to place on the terrace. So after that, we can adjust this little center, maybe 0.75, and bottom 0.5. Mm. So now we can make this as a component. Solar array. How many panels we have kept here? So 1, 2, 3, 3 into 5. 15, 15 into 20. 300 into 580. 174 kilowatt we can place here. 174 kilowatt array. Why I'm making this array means if you are not making array after placing this, if you're anything you're doing on this in this area, so that entire structure will disturb. So that's why I am placing this here. And now we can place this and we can change the rotation angle and all things as per our orientation. So this way I just position here, and now I will change into building orientation. Again I will move. Because of making group, it is easy to select in this thing. Otherwise it will create a nuisance. It will select only one module. We cannot able to draw this as a single this one. And now we can rotate to match with this slope. See, so this is solar PV modules. Now if you want to do any shadow analysis, you can make it, and there is no shadow, nothing will be come here. This is the way you can recommend to the clients. Solar PV modules you can get. Okay. Uh, this is for today. Tomorrow, what we will do, we can set up on bottom side, we can set up a one cafeteria. It is a little bit to impress the client. On the bottom, how the cafeteria will come on terrace, how the PV models will show. So you can give some options. By using 3D warehouse, we can select the table and chairs and cafeteria setup. So that we will see tomorrow. Okay, guys. Any doubts? Any doubts? Just download the software and you can start creating some drawings. Practice makes you perfect. Okay. So when I new to this drawings and when I know about this softwares, so with my own interest, I did so many practices, so many works. So it's purely depends on your interest, how quickly you want to learn. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a good day.